Today, can we start our new chapter? Chapter 2, Nutrition in Animals. We have already discussed in chapter 1 that plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animals cannot. Look at this picture. Here, the green plants are autotrophs because they can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And here the animal goat is a heterotroph because they cannot prepare their own food. They are depending on the green plants. Based on the food habits, animals are classified into three groups: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivores are the animals which will eat plants. Plants eating animals are called herbivores. You can see this example: elephant, cow, zebra, rabbit, giraffe. These animals will eat only the plants. These animals are depending on plants directly. Next is carnivorous. Carnivores are meat eating animals. They are not depending the plants directly, they are indirectly depending the plants. They are eating the plant eating animals, meat eating animals. So next is omnivorous, the animals which will eat both plants and animals. You can see this example. Human beings are omnivorous. Crow is omnivorous. Hen is omnivorous. Bear, pig are omnivorous because they are eating both plants and animals. Animal nutrition or nutrition in animals. The mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization in the body is called nutrition. And animal nutrition is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Animals get their food directly or indirectly from the plants. And here in this chapter you are going to learn that animal nutrition include nutrient requirement. We have learned 7 nutrients which are very much needed in the nutrition of animals. And second one, mode of taking food, how the animal will take the food and how it will be utilized in their body. So it includes nutrient requirement, mode of taking food and its utilization in the body. For this we need to learn first what is digestion. Digestion is the process by which complex food substances are broken down into simpler substances is called digestion. You know that when we eat food, while chewing, we will be breaking the food. When we are swallowing, again some process will happen with the food and the complex food substance will change into or broken down into simpler substance. So this process is called digestion. What are the 7 nutrients which is required by our body? These are the 7 nutrients which already we have discussed in the chapter 1. Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, fiber and water. In page number 11, there is a space for writing these nutrients. You can include these nutrients in the page. There are different variety of animals in this world and different animals are eating the food in the different way. The mode of taking food into the body varies in different organisms. So there is an activity given in your textbook in the same page, page number 11, activity 2.1. There you need to fill the type of feeding and kind of food which these animals eat. The first animal, snail. The kind of food which snail will eat, leaves and insects. You know that the snail is very small organism. It is not like human being. The way of eating food will be different from us. So we are eating food by taking the food by the hand and keeping the food in our mouth. Like that snail cannot do. So snail while moving on the ground or on any object, it will scrap the leaves or small insects are there means it will scrap. So the kind of food which snail will eat is leaves and insects or any other. If you know, you can write it. The mode of feeding, the mode of nutrition here is scrapping. Scrapping is the mode of nutrition. Like that here some animals names are there and the kind of food which they eat and mode of feeding. This you need to write in your textbook. Do you remember what is digestion? It is the process of breakdown of complex food into simpler food. Here this is digestive system. Digestive system is very important for the digestion process. Then only we will get our energy from our food which we eat. While eating, we take our food through the mouth. We will take our food and we will keep the food in our mouth. So mouth is the first part of the digestive system. And from the mouth, the food will passes through the continuous canal. The canal, the first part is the mouth, and there you can see a tube like structure. It is called esophagus. Then the food will reach to the stomach. Then the food will reach to the small intestine. Then large intestine. Okay, these are the parts where food will move. So these are the parts where the food will move in the digestive system. So first the part is mouth. From mouth the food passes through the pharynx. About pharynx we can discuss later. Next is esophagus. Esophagus, another word for esophagus is food pipe. Then from esophagus food will reach to the stomach. Then from there you can see here highly coiled part, that is small intestine. Then from small intestine it will reach to the large intestine. Then the last two parts are rectum and anus. Rectum and anus are the parts of large intestine. So these parts we can tell in another name. These are the human alimentary canal. So these are the parts in human alimentary canal. So digestive system consists of human alimentary canal and digestive glands. So these are the glands which will secrete fluids for helping in digestion. So digestive system consists of two parts, digestive glands and alimentary canal. Or another name for alimentary canal is digestive tract. So you can see here the digestive glands are salivary gland. Salivary glands are the gland which is present in the mouth. So that salivary gland will produce saliva. So while chewing, this saliva will help for digestion. The other glands are there: pancreas, liver, gastric gland, intestinal gland. About these glands we will study in the next class. So once again we can discuss digestive system. Digestive system consists of two parts. First part is human alimentary canal or alimentary canal. Another name is digestive tract. And the second part is digestive gland. The parts of alimentary canal and the digestive gland we have already discussed. You need to draw this digestive system in your notebook. Neatly you need to draw and label the digestive canal and digestive gland in the diagram. Those who face difficulty in drawing digestive system, they can paste the picture of human digestive system neatly in the notebook. Others can draw the digestive system. I hope you all understood today's class. Thank you.